Smiley, smiley, little boy, jumping puppy, puppy world.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And today, ipapamper ko yung self ko kasi vacation na namin.
Today's video, nagkakulay ako ng aking tumubo na black hair niya kasi may color talaga yung hair ko pero tumutubo na yung black. And maglalagay din ako ng fake lashes and fake nails.
Like a fairy tale come true. Might be your good time. Pumpkin sweet cake, cookie friends. Is this my place for you? Still I remember, still your December. First I promised you wonderful. I think of happy days, of wake up, lazy birds. Where is your home? Can you get? Can you see, feel free, alright? Lonely pony, don't say bye. Just a little, it makes me smile. I need a little time from you. Still I remember, still your December. First I promised you wonderful. I think of happy days. Still I remember, still your
Ito yung gagamitin ko for my lashes. It's 12 ml. For the glue naman, ito you can in-order sa TikTok shop, CC Stay Beauty. And tumatagal to sa akin ng 3 to 5 days kahit na nag-relapse ako basta hindi siya mapupul. Pero madali lang naman siyang tanggalan. Like, gaganunin mo lang, matatanggal na siya. Unlike yung iba, kailangan pa nila ng pantanggal or antayin pa nilang matanggal or yung sumasama ng buhok. Pero ito, wala. Yung left eye ko, and look mo naman kung anong difference no right eye ko sa left eye ko. Sobrang nag-pop yung mata ko kasi so ganda niya. And ngayon, papatayin ko siya gamit itong nabili siya sa light. Let's proceed sa aking right eye. I'm so happy. Tapos na din tayo sa ating left eye. Tapos niya, final look.
Yung only thing na hindi ko gusto sa yung eyelash glue na to is ganito yung brush niya dahil pag sinasara, tsaka kumakalat siya. Sayang kasi maganda pa naman yung product. Sana ma-improve yung brush. Now for my nails, usually pinapile dapat siya. Pero hindi ko siya ipapile kasi don't wanna ruin my nails. Kaya dikit ko lang siya ngayon. And papatunawin ko siya later ng may kalupin. Hindi ko naman i-roll. I'm sorry na. Hati-hati. Gagawin ko siya. 'Di ba? Yung mga nasa likod, yung mga nasa likod. 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 Yung mga eyebrows para mag-match siya. Ay.